alcohol consumption has been an environmental problem for millennia, and we find that today in this contemporary society, we find human beings or people have found alcohol to be one of the drugs that they're consuming frequently. Now, how is this an environmental problem? Because we find that a lot of youths, especially, and also among the students, consumption of alcohol has just been so rampant. You find that the bottles or the containers of these same alcohol bottles, the way they are disposed, is not good at all. And also, apart from that, we are going to look at how it affects the physical environment in relation to its exposure. The biggest challenge that we have is the disposal of these bottles. From the scientific point of view, we know that these bottles are non-biodegradable, and that simply means they cannot rot when they are disposed.
To explain the effect of alcohol on the social or on the physical environment, which you call biosphere. There are a lot of problems when it comes to disposing of the bottles that are from the bars or drinking spills or anywhere. So these bottles have effect on the animals as well as aquatic life, that is the rivers and the lakes. You find that a lot of animals in the rivers and the lake, and lakes, even the oceans, there are a lot of species which are dying because of this effect. The other effect is you find that when a person is drunk, he's not in the normal state, so you would not mind where he's going to throw the bottle, and this bottle ending up in everywhere that you see in the country.
One of the effects of alcohol consumption is that it increases sexual behavior, in that when people take in alcohol, they are unable to make constructive decisions about their behaviors. For example, they engage in sexual activities such as unprotected sex that leads to HIV and AIDS and the contraction of STIs.
Students or pupils who tend to drink a lot of alcohol, they tend to maintain poor sleeping habits, and that contributes to academic failure and also to failing even in maintaining social relations with fellow students. Apart from that, there is also high increase in road traffic accidents because of consumption of alcohol.
We came up with this video in trying to educate those that are less knowledgeable about what could happen to their bodies and what they are doing really to the general environment in the endeavor that they get into, what things they do that they may not be conscious about, and where those bottles they use for drinking beer really end up.
Sunday.